Welcome to Travel With Me YouTube channel. And welcome to another YouTube video. Here are some travel tips and tricks that can help you save time, money, and stress. Number 1. Plan ahead. Research your destination, make a travel itinerary, and book accommodations and transportation in advance to avoid last-minute stress and high prices. Number 2. Use travel apps. Download travel apps like Google Maps, TripAdvisor, and Booking.com to find the best deals and make the most of your trip. Number 3. Travel light. Pack only what you need, and try to fit everything in a carry-on bag to avoid baggage fees and save time at the airport. Number 4. Choose the right time to travel. Consider traveling during the shoulder season, the period between peak and off-peak seasons, when prices are lower, crowds are smaller, and the weather is still good. Number 5. Take advantage of rewards programs. Sign up for rewards programs for airlines, hotels, and car rental companies to earn points and save money on future travel. Number 6. Eat like a local. Instead of dining at touristy restaurants, try local street food or visit a grocery store to save money on food and drinks. Number 7. Use public transportation. Take advantage of public transportation like buses and trains to save money on transportation and explore the local culture. Number 8. Be flexible. If your travel plans are flexible, consider booking last-minute deals or taking advantage of flash sales to save money. Number 9. Stay connected. Make sure to have a mobile data plan or use free Wi-Fi hotspots to stay connected while traveling and avoid high roaming charges. Number 10. Be prepared for emergencies. Pack a first aid kit, travel insurance, and emergency contact information in case of unexpected events. Number 11. Stay hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up at water fountains or ask for tap water at restaurants to avoid buying expensive bottled water. Number 12. Book activities in advance. Book popular activities or attractions in advance to avoid long lines and save money. Number 13. Stay in budget accommodations. Look for budget accommodations like hostels or Airbnb instead of expensive hotels to save money on lodging. Number 14. Be respectful of local customs. Learn about the local customs and etiquette to avoid offending locals and to make the most of your trip. Number 15. Avoid tourist traps. Research your destination to avoid tourist traps and overpriced attractions. Number 16. Learn basic phrases. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language to communicate with locals and show respect. Number 17. Pack snacks. Carry snacks like granola bars or fruit to avoid buying expensive snacks on the go. Number 18. Avoid peak travel times. Avoid traveling during peak travel times like holidays or weekends to save money on flights and accommodations. Number 19. Check for discounts. For students, seniors, or military personnel to save money on transportation, activities, or accommodations. Last but not least, keep copies of important documents, like your passport and travel itinerary in case of loss or theft. By following these travel tips and tricks, you can save time, money, and stress, and make the most of your travel experience. Thanks for watching. If you think these information are valuable, like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification.